Hi everyone, Sam here from Barn2 with another WooCommerce plugin tutorial. If you run a WooCommerce store, we have a solution that can save you a lot of time. Many business owners spend countless hours manually creating a price list for their website, but with the right plugin, you can cut out all that time and avoid all that hassle. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to use the WooCommerce Product Table plugin to create a dynamic catalog of your product prices, which is available on our website, barn2.com, and it's also linked in the description below. Setup is easy, it just takes a few minutes, and I'll show you how to do that very shortly. But first, what is a WooCommerce price list plugin? A product price list is basically an easy-to-read catalog of all your product prices. You can have all your products listed on a single page, or you can have a bunch of pages separated by product categories. If, for example, you have a printed catalog, it's useful to have a pricing page that customers can refer to at any time, and you don't have to keep updating the printed list, as customers can always be up to date on your website. Or perhaps you need to generate a reseller price list in WooCommerce, so that B2B buyers can see all your prices in one handy place. So first, I'm just going to show you how to create a simple and more advanced pricing table, and later I'll show you how to make that page publicly available or keep it hidden so only certain people can see it. If you bought a copy of the plugin from our website, you will have received some files, including a zip file and the activation key. So you'll download the zip file to save it to your website, and on your WordPress dashboard, you'll go to Plugins, Add New, and Upload Plugin. You can drag and drop the zip files here or browse for the file on your computer. Then it will automatically install, and in the setup wizard, you can add your activation key to get it started right away. If you have an all-access pass, this product key will apply for all the different plugins. All right, license key is active. Perfect. Now, store pages. Where to display product tables. Shop page and product categories are there by default. Let's leave them the same. So, table content. What do we want to see on the table? We have image, name, categories, price, and buy. These columns are already good by default, so I would just leave them as they are. You can also add things like reviews or more detail and description about each product, but let's get into that later. How are people going to add things to their cart? With checkboxes, that's just fine. And product filters, we'll leave those on custom so we can manage them later. Setup complete. Let's get into the plugin. Now that you've installed the plugin, let's see how it works. Go to Pages, Add New in the WordPress admin, and create a page. We can call it Pricing Catalog or Price List or whatever you like. Now add this short code to the page, save the page, and view it. The plugin has listed all the products in your store in a dynamic table layout with columns for name and price. Customers can find products by typing in the search box or click the price column header to sort by price in ascending or descending order. Easy. We can always add more columns later for things like product descriptions, reviews, and buy now buttons. But if you want to learn more details about that, we actually have a video which is a 20-minute deep dive into all the different ways that you can set up the table, and I recommend checking that out. It will be linked below. The simple price list may be all that you need. However, this is a very powerful plugin, and it does have some more advanced features. There are lots of options to configure your price catalog. The plugin actually has dozens of options, but here's my quick summary of some of the best ones that you'll want to use. First, we can create multiple price lists with different products. By default, the WooCommerce price list plugin lists all the products from your store, but alternatively, you can create separate pricing tables, for example, one list for each category. Next, we can add extra columns of product data. The WooCommerce Pricing Table plugin supports all the built-in WooCommerce product data, plus extra fields such as column fields and taxonomies. This lets you display extra product data in the pricing table. If you want customers to be able to buy directly from the price list, then you can even include Add to Cart buttons or checkboxes. Number 3, add product filters. If your price catalog contains lots of products, then you need to provide an easy way for customers to find what they want. As well as the optional search box above the table, you can add filter dropdowns above the pricing table or filter widgets in the sidebar. 4. Change how the price list is sorted. By default, products are listed in the order set in the main WooCommerce settings. You can change this order in the WooCommerce pricing table by any column. For example, sort by price. We'll sort by price in ascending order with the cheapest first. Customers can override this by clicking on any column header in the price list. As promised, there is an easy way to make this list publicly available on your website, and I'll show you how to do that now. What I've done is I've created a link on my store page, actually in the drop-down menu for my store, just to go straight to the price list. It's very easy for customers to find it this way, and it's in the same category and place as where the rest of your store is, so it makes a lot of sense. You don't have to do this, of course. You can create a link to it from your homepage or something else like that. I recommend doing one of these options just for your store. Or, if you prefer, you can hide it from public view using our password protected categories plugin. Now, this is a separate plugin, but you can purchase them together as a bundle and save some money, or you can test them all out with our All Access Pass. It's really up to you. I actually made a video about this plugin just last week, and you can check that out in the link below, and I've also put a card up in the top of the video as well. But the basic story is, if you want to hide this price list and give only certain customers access to it, you can do that with the Password Protected Categories plugin, and you can actually distribute as many passwords as you like to your clients, or you can grant access to this price list just for the people who are working on the back end of your site and they need to have a quick reference for it. One more quick tip for you. If you're using this plugin in tandem with its sister plugin, WooCommerce Quick View Pro, customers can open a quick view lightbox for each product. This allows for faster shopping, so instead of sending the customers to a different page for every product, they actually stay on the same price list page and allows them to view all the products and add them all at once. If you are interested in this plugin, like I said, it's linked below in the description, or you can visit our website, barn2.com. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up so more WooCommerce store owners can see it and save time on the back end of their website. Thank you so much for watching. If you're up for another tutorial, YouTube thinks you'll enjoy this one.